Week 2 of the CVS ad. I don't roll ExtraBucks. I just grab my freebies. Look, Cetaphil bar. Clipped the coupon. Scanned the receipt. $3.05 cashback. My out-of-pocket? Zero. That's the Week 2 strategy. Simple. This is what a winning Week 2 looks like. 1 Cetaphil bar. 1 receipt. CVS digital coupon clipped. Cashback app scanned. Total earned back, $3.05. I didn't chase deals. I didn't buy extra stuff. Freebies only. Under $3 out of pocket. That's the R. Wait, you paid how much? Only 49 cents. No, seriously. Cetaphil, I actually made money on this. Week 2 is not for spending. It's for freebies. Stop overcomplicating it. If your Week 2 out of pocket is more than $3, you're doing CVS wrong. No big hauls. Just freebies, cheapies, and cashback apps. Cetaphil, toothpaste, travel sizes. Scan. Leave. Repeat.